to another video, and on today's video we're following this river all the way up the hillside here to ABER Falls. Now the question for this video is this the best waterfall in Wales? We'll find out. So where we're going, ABER Falls, there's actually two waterfalls that run down the mountainside, and it goes by the name of three different names as it comes down. So above where the waterfall comes down, it's known as Afan Goch, which is in Welsh, Red River. Then as it comes over the top, it's known as Afan Rhiada Fall, which means Big Waterfall River. Then as it hits the bottom of the waterfall and comes down through the valley, it's known as Afon Aber, which means River Mouth River. And then it goes all the way onto the sea.
So we've reached the bottom of the ABER Falls waterfall, and it's 120 feet, which is roughly 37 metres. That's a pretty good waterfall, that.
So there you can see ABER Falls just behind us there, and the rock on the cliff face itself is actually volcanic rock, and when it's set so hard that the force of the waterfall couldn't erode it away. However, the sediment rock running through the valley where it's all soft, it sort of cut its way through the valley side and then leads out right the way down there where you can see down to the sea, which is where we're going in a very short while. But just over there, there's another waterfall that comes down from the same mountainside. So we're going to walk across this path here now to the other waterfall. I'm not in Minch. So as you can see behind me now, this is the other waterfall that we've walked along the trail to from the other waterfall. Now this one's called Rhiada Falls, and as you can see it's not as big as the other waterfall. However, this waterfall starts at the top, and as you can see from the clip I did earlier, I believe this one actually starts from a natural spring, which is up the mountainside, rather than a river like the other one. And this one's obviously a lot smaller, but it seems a bit more prettier how it comes down the side of the cliff. It almost cascades through the rock side there, whereas the other one sort of just launches off the side of it. So this one's a nice little pretty waterfall if you're across the trail.
So we're leaving Aber Falls Waterfall now, and we're going to head right downstream to the Aber Falls Distillery. See you there. We made it to the Aber Falls Distillery now, at the bottom of the river.
So we just come out of the Aber Falls Distillery. We got a few bottles of whiskey and some other little bits and bobs. But shout out to the chap who served us in there. We didn't get his name, but he was sound. So we've sort of plugged the channel to him. So hopefully he gives us a subscribe. We had a little bit in the calf, didn't we, as well? Yeah. Cake was nice.
Cheeky carrot cake on the go.
Banging. But they do serve food as well. If ever you're passing by, pop into the cafe and get something to eat. They've got some tasty stuff on the menu, haven't they?
Yeah, nice.
So now what we're going to do, we're going to head to the beach and we're going to find out where the river actually ends up dropping into the sea. So that's where we're going now. So we just made it to the car park for the beach, and as you can see over there, that's the valley where the waterfall comes through, and just behind those trees there, if you can see, that's part of the distillery there. So the river would follow all the way through here and then down here to the sea. So as you can see behind us, that's where the river now meets the sea. So we've made it all the way from up there by the waterfall, all the way down through the distillery and then back out to the ocean.
Well, that's us more or less done then for this video. Got right to the end, so I'm going to head back now, a couple hours back home, get some tea done, get some food down us, start editing the video tonight then, can't we? Might incorporate a cheeky whiskey with that as well, so we'll see how it goes, eh?
What have you done? So we just made it back after the walk up to the Aber Falls and the visit to the distillery. So we're going to get on with editing the video, but before we do that, we need a bit of motivation from the very own Aber Falls whiskey. So thanks for watching this episode, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.